an incredibly ambitious project. Just touch on what that is. And what if we started to treat education as a priority? What does that unlock?
Yeah. Stargate's super fast. For this audience, like the punchline you need to know is we need to build more AI infrastructure, particularly here in the United States, but just broad-based, to make sure that, as I said, those scaling laws stay intact, so that if it's pre-training, post-training, or test times while you're using the product, that we're continuing to build more intelligence. And so we announced with President Trump a $500 billion investment into AI data centers. The first $100 billion will get us our first 2 gigawatts, which in some ways I think we're going to look back on and feel like that was small. The full $500 billion will get us 10 gigawatts. And for comparison, Ireland, so kind of I'm sometimes Irish, sometimes British, Northern Ireland, I can play it both ways.
I thought you were Texan. Go ahead.
Uses about 7 gigawatts of power per year. So we're talking about more power than a country. Now that brings a lot of other things to the fore, like how do we think about climate change and the impact from all this power usage. And again, this is where I think AI is going to be a big part of helping us solve some of these problems, like really investing in areas like nuclear fission, for example. And then, for this audience, your second question was,